guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here as always. Not much going on, just thought I would share an unboxing today, which is not something I do, but considering, well, that's not true. I did a couple unboxings at the very beginning when I got stuff for the car, but this is not car related, this is craft related. So I've mentioned crafting before and that I wanted to share some of that on the channel. I just haven't because I don't know. I don't really know how to do the time lapse thing, and it just takes so long to make stuff that it feels kind of weird to try to record a little bit here and then record a little bit there and then put it all together when it, you know, may take weeks to do. So maybe I'll try doing that. I don't know. But this is not a project I'm working on so much as it is tools. So I bought a half set of crochet hooks from Nerdy Bird Co. That's a shop on Etsy. She makes really awesome crochet hooks, custom hooks, and so I had a set made for me because I just thought they were super cool. So I'm gonna open them here with you all. It'll be my first time seeing them, your first time seeing them. I mean, you may have seen these, but not mine, because mine are custom. Anyway, not gonna babble on about that, so I'm gonna flip this around, put this on the tripod so that we can open this together. And I hope you all are doing great, and let's go ahead on and do this thing. Okay, hopefully you can see this okay. I couldn't really get the tripod set up the way I want it because the phone holder doesn't bend at a 90-degree angle, which would have let me have it upright and bent straight over. so I'm doing the best I can. Bear with me here. Anyway, these crochet hooks typically come either with the boy hook or Susan Bates, and I love Susan Bate hooks, but I love Clover hooks even more. So I asked her if she would be willing to make them with Clover hooks instead, do a custom listing, and she said yes, and I just paid a little bit more for the different hooks, and that was that. So I'm super excited. I know you can't hear it in my voice, but I am. Alright, so we've got a little thank you card here. Thank you for your order. Let's see what this says. Alright, so the Nerdy Birdie Art Co. Just some instructions for how to take care of the crochet hooks, so that's pretty cool. They are resin. That's pretty dope. Only once I had crochet hooks made, and the lady did such a terrible job, I threw them away immediately. I mean, they were really bad. They were like melted and just, I don't know what happened, but they were terrible. Alright, so these are definitely super dope. I ordered these witch finger crochet hooks, and tell me that's not freaking dope, right? I ordered, I believe 7 different sizes. So I'm just going to open one of each of the ones that I ordered. Ta-da! I mean, how is that not freaking awesome? Got this awesome pentagram ring here and this stiletto nail with the size on the bottom. So this is a size 5 hook. And it's like a whole finger, and so it's an ergonomic hook. Fits in your hand like so. Feels really good in my hand, nice and thick, with my favorite brand of hook on the inside. So that is super awesome. I wanted to add that this isn't sponsored or anything like that. I paid for these hooks with my own money because I wanted them, and I like supporting small businesses and artists. I also ordered this Krampus finger. I mean, come on. This is just right up my alley. Right up my alley. I have a lot of crochet hooks, but I don't have any fancy hooks anymore. So this is really, really dope. Not sure what these markings are, but it looks like this rubs off, so that's cool. This is a size 10 hook, Krampus finger. I love Krampus, but of course I do. A little rough on the bottom here, but no big deal. Again, fits really well in the hand. Awesome. And then last but not least, I've got this super cute mushroom skull hook. So let's open this one up, size 7. Alright, so look at that. It's awesome. Just really pretty, really well done. These are all handmade. It took about a month from the time that I ordered them for them to arrive, which I don't think is that bad. And I vaguely remember ordering this bone finger, but don't really remember ordering this bone fingers. so let's open this one. I've been crocheting for about 15 years, so I've had ample opportunity to get many sets of hooks, and I've had many sets of hooks, but again, not stuff like this because I don't know, I just never really considered it. And I was looking for solid black crochet hooks and came across her shop somehow, not sure how, because she doesn't have solid black hooks, but but it doesn't matter, her stuff is super awesome. So this is just a finger bone. Like, these are really cool. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share these with you. Might want to go pick up some for yourself if you're into crocheting. As far as I know, she only makes crochet hooks. She might have other stuff in her shop, but this is what I went there for, so I can't really say what else is in there. But she's United States based, and the prices, I believe, are super reasonable. I think to get one hook is around $22, less than $25, but I think more than 20. And for me to get the custom clover hooks instead of the 2 options she had was like, I think $5 or $6 more per hook. So not the cheapest thing, no, but you know, when you order something like this, so long as you take care of it, you can have them for a really long time, which is what I intend to do. And I bought the hooks that I use most often as far as sizes go, so you know, as long as I don't lose them or break them, I imagine I'll have these for a really long time, and I just think they are super, super, super dope. So anyway, I'm going to insert a picture of the last project I worked on, which is Spike from Cowboy Bebop. I made that for a coworker. I feel like I mentioned that in a video before. Finally got that finished, and he's starting on the next one. So anyway, thanks guys for being here. As always, thank you for tuning in, for supporting the channel. I'm Black Alternative Living, and as always, do great things, live your best life, so long as it doesn't mean bringing harm to others. And until the next time, peace out, guys.